Oh boy, Saturday morning. This is what we woke up to. Like they're plowing too much, though. Would you have the blade down on a day like today? Whipping that salt down, though. Just a pile on that salt down the roads. Dear Lord. My goodness gracious. There goes that new paint job pisser just put on there for me. This salt will tear that right up. Yeah, a lot of snow, huh? Told you we were going to get a little. That hardens the ground up. Better for riding on the four-wheeler out there and getting you some videos today. Yeah. What do you guys think of that job pisser did on the Blazer, man? Dear Lord, that guy is freaking talented, man. That's all I got to say about that. Freaking guy is awesome. Dude rocks. Hey guys, time to head out. Like that snow? Start wiggling your tail as soon as you get out there, huh? You like the snow. Recky likes it. Just sniffing it as it blows in his face. They already got some all over him. Hey, you cheater, you already peed on the freaking truck. Pees on the tires because he's a little dog. You can't find a vehicle with tires on there big enough, I guess. It's really snowing out here, guys. I don't want you to look through the screen, but that's quick, huh? That was quick. Where's the other one? Where'd you go, Rex? Oh, right there. He's right around the corner. But yeah, we're starting to get a little bit of snow in here. Yeah, zoom in on the birdhouse so you guys can see how it's actually coming down. That's what I'm getting a look-see at. You guys seen the plow go by earlier. That's that little bit of snow we got. I was going to go out and go for a little ride here because it wasn't snowing when I brought the camera out this morning. I went and took a shower, got all dressed and stuff, and wound up snowing again. So I guess I'm going to wait for it to stop snowing a little bit before we wind up taking the wheeler out so I can take you guys with me with a helmet cam. Like I said, I don't want to ruin my camera, and I got to grab me a GoPro. I seen them at Walmart the other day for $2.99, but it was the last one there. I had the cash on me, but I didn't get it, so I should have, but there it is. I bet you they're pretty busy today, the sheriffs. But yeah, that's what we're getting today. Got a little bit of accumulation on the road. Looks like the mail came already too. Yeah. Wonder if my check's in there. Sold a few videos. He actually sold 4 videos, so that's some quick cash. There's like 2:45. Sure, wasn't throwing any snow until it got to the driveway. That's what we're looking at, though. We're getting the snow. You guys gotta go to the bathroom? You gotta go potty? Huh? You wanna come out and go potty? What do you think? Only if Rex does, huh? Too cold for you? What do you think about peeing there? It's bad enough you pee on the Tonka truck. Little tires for little dogs. Rex. Gotta look nice in the woods, huh? Go out to the big woods. Nice to drive in though, huh? Yeah, buddy. That wasn't long, guys. All done already? Man, about as long as it was this morning. You guys want to stay out forever. Well, it's 10 after 7. Keeping you all up to date this Saturday before Sunday hits. It's actually supposed to start here tonight. See if I get you a road shut. Plows just went through. missed the plow video for you to catch it this time through. But that's about it, boys and girls. As you can see, we still have grassage right there, just in that one spot, but it's snowing and blowing. So just out a little bit farther, we got about 3 inches. So there's 3 inches in some spots, looks like 2 to 3, and some are bare. Just been windy with it all, that's all, guys. My puppies are going potty again. Try to keep on it. They've been out twice since the last time I showed you in the video. I take these dogs out more than I go to the bathroom. That's what I ask them sometimes. There's no way you can have to go to the bathroom again. They can come in and go right back to the door. It's looking to the screen, but that's not a good shot. Dang it. Gotta get y'all a shot of the road. Here comes the car. See what it actually looks like here. There's your the road looks like. Thanks for the headlight, buddy. Appreciate it. You came at the right time for my YouTubers and my subscribers to check out the roadage. Come on, guys. It's getting cold out. Daddy's going in. Come on, boys and girls. Out here a little longer this time, huh? Wreck, wreck. You coming, bud? Duke, Duke. Wreck a dog. You coming, big boy? Brr, huh? Alright, guys. Update coming up soon. Well, it's just turning 1 o'clock, and it's starting to snow. I guess it's been snowing. They stopped for a little bit is what I meant. I guess I didn't videotape that when it stopped, but it stopped for a couple hours. Now we're supposed to get lake effect, and it's supposed to be from the 4 to 6 inches range. And as you guys can see already, the grass is covered. In the back here. And that's, actually this clock is off. It's 12:50 on here, so I guess it's just midnight. And now it's about 10 after 1 in the morning. This is like looking out the window. About an hour later. A little over an hour. Yeah. Yeah, maybe the snowmobile guys can go out and do a little bit of riding now, huh? What you think? There's the driveway. Focus here. There it goes. Alright, Lou's bringing coffee this morning. Our Sunday cappuccinos. Wonder if he'll make it up. If not, oh well, huh? Guess I won't be getting my morning cappuccino. Yeah, a little bit of snow now, buddy. Just hit 7 o'clock. Somebody headed out with their sleds. Snowmobile trailer. Headed out to go snowmobile. They can't wait. Charlie couldn't wait either. Rex. Dropping some groceries, buddy? Dropping some of that puppy food? You don't know what to think of that. Just pee on Rex, why don't you? Rex! Hey, puppy dog. Done, Recky? Louie be coming. Louie coming. Bringing a coffee. Yeah, buddy. Louie should make it. If not, Louie needs to get a 4-wheel drive. We can tell him. If Louie can't make it, he needs 4-wheel poo. Go see Pisser. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, Lou made it just fine up the driveway this morning. Ain't a big deal. If he gets stuck on the way out. If you look back on my wheeling with the Outlaw videos, it's the same car that went by had my helmet cam that day. It's coming out good now. Look at that. Gotta love it. Gotta love these winter days. Oh, look at lazy ass. Can't even clean his car. Lazy ass. Oh, hey, what's your plate number? Oh, he cleaned his car off. He rolled his window down and back up. It's all fluffy. Oh, you cleaned your other window a little too. Oh, just enough to see. Could at least brushed off the Outlaw Video sticker on it. Oh, God. Well, guys, it's about 20 minutes to 7. There's some feed in there. It's about half full. Well, under half because it's at an angle there, but they can't even get to the seed. There's birds running around up here. Where are they going? Come on, guys. I need to go out there to go poop. Yeah, you better take the trail back. A little deep out there, huh, buddy? It's deep out there. Rex looks like he's sitting in the snow. You know he's not, but yeah, we got some snow. You take another poop up here? Yeah, good thing you guys got it all out. Oh, Lord. Rex is like, what are you videotaping, you bastard? And I'm turning around. Hey, what are you doing? Taking another shit up here? Dear Lord, you guys are full of shit. I think he started. He runs right in. I think he started over there. It was just too cold. Rex like, man, that froze my asshole. Oh my God. That was too funny. Oh my God. They got to taking their crap and they hauled ass in. They used to never do that. They usually walk around. You gotta yell at them to get in here because they're just lollygagging around out there. It's too funny. Now the snow's here, they haul ass in. Oh God. That's good. I'm sorry for laughing so much. It was good though. You just don't know the problems I have getting these dogs in. No problem today. Oh God. Just wanna know what I'm laughing at, huh? Oh, you're silly.